I-SIU ifike kuleli galaji kwaba nokuhilizisana njengoba umnikazi walo ebengazimisele ukubambisana namaphoyisa ewasola ngokugasela engazelele.
They want access to my cameras. Yeah. For what reason?
It is part of the order.
Yeah, but they are supposed to serve me with a document, and because the SIU knows who's my attorneys, they must send it to the attorneys.
Le moto kaMawumela ebiza izigidi zamarandi isichithe izinyanga ikuleli galaji kuthiwa ibilokhu iguqulwa ubunikazi.
There was a movement in relation to the vehicle as one of the preserved assets, and what we are here to do is to ensure that that order that was granted to the effect that there is also a need to arrest. That is what the court judgment is actually saying.
Usomabhizinisi wakuleli galaji ugcine sephoswe evenini njengoba bengafuni ukubambisana namaphoyisa.
It's not I'm not cooperating. You don't come with 50 police on top of me and say do this. That's why I'm not going to do anything. I'm willing to comply with the police and they can take me in. I don't have a problem.
Ukushaqwa kwale moto kuyamene nenkohlakalo yokutatshwa kwemali esibhedlela saseThembisa.